How to create a Shopify account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Shopify account. It's a simple and easy process. You gotta have an email, and then you gotta type your email in the create an account by clicking on get started. And after that you can sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or simply with your email. So I'm gonna choose this option. You need to write down your email, then your first name and last name, and a password. You gotta have a strong password to protect your account. This indicator here shows your password strength, and as it shows here, it says strong. And that is simply how to create your Shopify account. Now you can create your stores and you can manage your first online store. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.